Hi, this is a Taurus PT 1911, and it's a little unusual in that it's polished stainless steel with gold trim. And a while back I did a little non-shooting video with this one, and I figured since I did that I probably ought to get it out here and do a little shooting with it on camera. So we'll try a few shots with it today. I never did hit that small target. Okay, I'll see if I can get a side view of this beast being shot. A few years ago, Taurus made several of their guns in this configuration, where they had polished stainless steel and gold-plated accents. And they also did them with blue versions where they had nice blued guns with gold accents. And this one, of course, is a 1911 with the accessory rail, chambered in 45 ACP. And I believe they only made these guns in this, in these configurations for just a couple of years. If I can get all the markings to show up here. And anyway, I thought I'd give you a good close-up of it here before I started cleaning on it. And I wanted to do an end-of-video shout-out. And this one's for the Lighthouse Lady. And I'll put a link to her channel in the description of this video. If you get a little free time, go check it out. I think you'll enjoy the channel. Thanks for watching.